Hello everyone, this is Pankaj Das and welcome to live session of number system. In today's video here we will discuss all the number systems used nowadays. A systematic way of writing numbers, analyzing numbers, that is called number system. So in mathematics or in different field we are using these number system very frequently. So here we will discuss all the number system that has been categorized by the scientists and mathematicians. First is decimal number system, that is widely used in mathematics, numerals, right? All the numbers that we use in mathematics, that is in decimal number system. Second is binary number system, third is octal number system, and fourth one is hexadecimal number system. So here in this video we will discuss one by one the properties of these all four number systems that we will discuss here now. So first one is decimal number system, that is used in mathematics, that we all are using 1 2 5 6 100 12. These all numbers are in decimal number system. Decimal number system has 0 to 9 all together 10 digits. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, right? So if you will count it you will get 10. So these are total 10 digits. That's why decimal number system is classified as the number system that has base of 10. You can call it base or radix. So it has radix or base 10 just because it has total 10 digits, 0 to 9. If you will count it you will get 10. That's why it has 10 as base. So here in decimal number system, how to represent it so that we can identify. Let's have an example of 45, 36, or let's take 389 as an example. So how we will identify it is in decimal number system. For that we need to write it within a parenthesis or bracket, and we will put 10 as the base, just as subscript, right? So this 10 identifies that the written number 389 is in decimal number system. It is not in binary, octal or hexadecimal, because it is written there 10. Let's go for the next one, that is binary number system. We have been discussing this binary number system since our childhood. We studied it in class 5 6, that by means 2, binary, a number system that has only two digits, that is 0 and 1. That is a combination of 0 1 0 1 0 1, right? So there is only two digits, 0 and 1. That's why the base or the radix of this is called or is given 2, just because it has only two digit in this system. So how it is written or represented? It is written or represented simply in 0 1 0 1 0 1 format. Computer understands only this binary number system. You may have heard a lot that computer understands only binary number system, only binary number system. That is the combination of 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So how to 1 individually represents one bit of memory. 0 1 bit of memory, 1 is also 1 bit of memory. 0 is for off and 1 is for on electric pulses. Base as 2, then we will read it 1 0, not 10. So binary number system is the base of computer calculation. The functions of computer are performed on this number system. So if you will write a binary number, we must write in bracket and put 2 as base, because binary has two digits. Third, octal number system. Octal number system has total 8 digits, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The base is 8 because it has 0 to 7 total 8 digits. That's why base or radix is 8. Now octal number system is bit similar to decimal number system, that is just because it is also the combination of the digits used in decimal, but the only difference is it is reduced to 7 only. If you will write anything in this number system, for example, take an example 257. So we can identify 257 is in octal number system by giving base as 8. So put bracket and write 8 as subscript. Next is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system, see, this hexa means 6 and decimal means 10. It means total how much? Total 16 digits, 0 to 9, 10, and then A to F, A B C D E F, right? So A 0 to 9, total 10, and then A to F, mark it, A to F, A B C D E and F. This total you will count 6, you will get 16, right? So hexa means 6 and decimal means 10. 6 plus 10 total 16. So we have 16 digits in hexadecimal number system. That's why base or the radix is 16. So how we write it? We write it whatever value we have, that is closed in parenthesis and written 16 as the subscript outside the parenthesis or outside the bracket, right? So 16 is written as base. So all about how to identify any number by just looking at it, how to, you can say, how to represent the number in different number system, is just by taking care of the base value. Decimal has 10, binary has 2, octal has 8, and the hexadecimal values has 16 as base number, right? So it is represented as given here. As we have seen these number system, how to represent the numbers in these number systems, now we will see how to convert from one number system to another number system. It means conversion of number systems. For example, we have 29 as a decimal number system. Then how can we write this 29 into binary? How it can be converted into binary, into octal, or into hexadecimal number system? Subsequently, we will learn how to convert from binary to decimal, binary to octal, and binary to hexadecimal. In the same way, we will learn how to convert similarly from octal to binary, octal to decimal, and octal to hexadecimal. In the same way, similarly, from hexadecimal number system to octal number system to binary number system or to decimal number system. So we will discuss in the next video.